Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shein Refund Request. This guide will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, launch your application, get logged into your account. Then select Me section. To view all your orders, select My Orders and View All. And as you do that, go ahead, select this Returns tab. It will show you all the items that you have requested the refund or returns for. In my case, I have not yet placed any order, but if you have placed any and if you are trying to cancel the returns or refund, you will see it right here. You will also see the option of cancel this application right at this section. All you have to do is tap onto it, and on the return processing page, confirm your choice to cancel the return. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to our channel Techmates for daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to a question and comments, you may go ahead and subscribe to our membership Techmates today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.